Finally getting a little bit of time off of work so I can try to get some stuff done. So today I'm going to clean up the interior and the 4Runner a little bit, get these dollar store floor mats out of there I got, and put some new ones in there. So let's get on into it. She's looking fresh. Alright, that looks like a driver's side. Now imagine I don't need to do much explaining for these for y'all. I know everybody's heard of WeatherTechs. I've had them in the past. They've been slick on my feet. These feel like might be a little better. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, let's see how they fit. Good so far. Oh yeah. I had these in my STI, WRX STI, and man, them things would slip slide all over the place. I ended up putting Velcro on the carpet and Velcro on the bottom of the mat. Hopefully this will kind of mold itself, because I ain't having my daggone feet slip sliding all over the place, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I think these have had their day. I'd say so. On to the next one. Clean, keep those safe. Pretty good fit. That's some jack.
Like a glove.
Well, she might have to settle down a little bit. Not bad. Kind of goofy. I imagine enough time it'll probably settle down. Looks pretty good. All right, let's get a final look. It's kind of dark, so it's hard to see, but pretty good. Happy with that. Sorry for the shadow. If I don't ever get the... I ain't shown y'all yet. Let's see what we got back here in the back, baby. Usually keep them covered up, as you can see. Incognito bunk. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So before I end the video, it's the next day. I got a chance to drive, and grass was kind of wet, dirt, all that mess in there already, and I was pretty surprised. Like, I'm not lying to y'all, the last time I had WeatherTech liners like these, they were slick. Like, I don't know if they changed the recipe or the formula or something or what, but I don't know. But either way, they feel pretty dang good. My feet ain't slipping at all, and obviously they're doing their job. So they're looking good. Don't take long for them to get dirty, but that's what we got that Adams rubber mat and liner cleaner for. So yep, just wanted to actually give y'all a review versus just some pretty pictures. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm down with them. So hope that helps. I appreciate y'all checking it out, hanging out with me. I do have links to these floor mats in the description box there below if Amazon still got them. Seems like sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But if not, I'll just throw the WeatherTech website link up there so y'all can find those pretty easy. But I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, y'all take it easy.